Hello, welcome to the second video of this course about cryptocurrencies and the blockchain. As I said in the first, I'm sure you've already watched videos on YouTube and social networks, read press article on the subject, and like me, you have not understood anything. I began to ask myself many questions. Frustrated at not understanding anything, I started to read up on it little by little. I discovered a world that's fascinating as it is complex. So complex that apart from a few initiates, few people really understand how it works. So I thought that a course to introduce the principle of Bitcoin and blockchain would surely be useful for many people. In this course, we will learn together what exactly are we talking about. What is Bitcoin? How does it work? How to get and use it to buy things? Where are the coins? And what does this blockchain have to do with it? Blockchain technology is changing how businesses operate. With trust built into blockchain solutions, it is important to understand how this new technology is different and how it works in comparison with technologies of the past. Before getting to the heart of the subject, let's review some networking basics. The first question is, what is the Internet? The Internet, sometimes called simply the net, is a worldwide system of computer networks. In other words, a network of networks in which user at any one computer can get information from any other computer. So, a network contains at least two computers or two devices. Let's go into even more detail. How do computers communicate with each other? I mean, really, what language do they speak to each other? If we did not have common languages, computers would not exchange that. Therefore, communication languages were invented so that machines could talk to each other. These are called protocols. For the moment, I am not going to go into details about the protocols. This is not the right moment, but I would like you to know there are two kinds of protocols. There are low-level protocols. They are found in all communications like TCP, IP, UDP, and the high-level protocols which are generally based on TCP. They form an overlay that encompasses TCP. The most familiar example is HTTP, the protocol for exchanging web pages. To finish, I would like to ask you a question. What is the difference between the Internet and the web? If you know the answer, please write it in the comment. See you at the next session. Bye.